Hi guys, and welcome to another video. So you may have noticed my new intro. It was a small animation which I commissioned from a good artist friend of mine, Mira Draws. Link to her Instagram will be in the description below. Anyway, today I am part of a collaboration. It's a Pokemon collaboration with some other artists, who are The Switch World, Jackie O, and H. Arley Crafts. I really like the new Pokemon game and all of the regional variants that are introduced, so I decided that I wanted to make one of them. So I decided to make Alcremie. She's a really nice Pokemon, and I really liked all the pink of the strawberry cream version, especially with the heart sweet. I also thought it'd be very sweet to make this doll. Anyway, now let's get on with the video. For this doll, I thought it was only appropriate to use Draculaura, because she's pink and I'm doing the ruby cream Alcremie. So, to start off, let's cut off all of her hair. With that all done, take your head, some needle nose pliers and scrape all the hair out from inside the head. With all the hair removed, we can now get to removing the face paint with some good old acetone. Since Alcremie's hair is quite pale, I also removed all the black. Now onto the face blushing. I wanted her to look very silent and calm, because my Alcremie's nature is calm. So to do this, I just went in with lots of pale pinks to depth in the eyes, added more pink for eyebrows and lips. Unfortunately, my camera cut out and I could only record the blushing, but here's how the face up looks. Let's add some gloss varnish to the eyes. And now that our eyes are all shiny, we can move on to the hair, and I'm going to try to stick to my design, which I completely failed to show on the camera here. Now that her head's been painted pink, we can move on to brushing out the hair. Take your pink yarn and separate it into different sections to brush out. I find that using a Monster High brush actually helps separate the larger fibres. And now that you've gone in with your pet brush and straightener, we can move on to gluing on the hair wefts and styling it. I was a bit rushed for time in this doll, so I didn't have time to make wefts, so I just lobbed it all on and hoped for the best. And boy, was the design I chose for the styling a complete and utter mess. But it looked good in the end, through the immense pain which happened while styling. But I think it looks very nice now that it's done. Now onto the sewing. I was in a separate location, so sorry for the camera change. I used some beautiful patterns from our Moonlight Jewel dolls to help with this. I also added a small pokeball and bow to the back of the dress. I will leave a link to her channel down in the description below. I also added some small buttons to the back and made a small choker with a heart sweet on. I also cut out some pink felt to make a bag. Once you've glued it together, you can add some little gems to make a Pokeball design. I think it looks quite nice. Now that we're back, the dress can go on the doll, and I'll say it looks quite nice. I also added some beads to make a strap for the bag. Now, let's just get on to reattaching the head. Grab the temples and massage the head on to try and not break your face up, and just try to be gentle, which is always very difficult when reattaching the heads. I think she looks quite pretty. The only thing is her hair gets caught in the clasps of her dress. But with the bag and everything, I think it's quite a nice look overall. Now there's only one thing left to do, which I also forgot to record, and that is to paint the shoes. But with that, we're done! It was really fun to be a part of this collab and go on with other doll artists. It was also fun to revisit Pokemon since the first dolls I ever made were actually Pokemon. And I think that was really fun, and I love the new game, and also I love pink, so just making a fully pink doll was a lot of fun. Please go and check out the other doll artists part of this collaboration, links will be in the description, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, bye!